Welcome to What's in the Shop. I'm here with Felipe and Aaron. We're down here in Miami taking care of a very VIP client. Let's give you a tour starting here in Miami this week. We will start right here in the PPF world. Actually, our frame is ceramic coating right now, so I guess PPF and coating world. This is a Bronco Badlands edition. This car got a full PPF wrap and ceramic coating, including wheels off. 1 day turnaround, so we have a whole team here working on it. We're going to be delivering that tomorrow. That is for somebody very special. And then on the lift, we have a Corvette C6. This is a referral from our business partner down here, Justin, from Horsepower Obsessed. This is getting a track package as well as a ceramic coating. This car has, I think, under 10,000 miles, right, Felipe? Yeah, under 10,000 miles on it. So really clean car. And in the tint bay, there is a BMW X3. This one's getting tint all the way around. I think most of that is already done, as well as full front end paint protection film. Let's see what's outside. There's a cool one. And outside we have a Lamborghini Revuelto. This belongs to Brooks from Drag Times. He had his ZR1 in here getting stealth wrapped last week. Dropped the Revuelto off for us to do a little bit of paint protection film touch up. We love having Lamborghinis in the shop. This thing is gorgeous. Let us know what you think in the comments, and let's see what's happening at some of the other shops.
Thanks, Josh. Back to cold Pennsylvania. We got this Audi Q8 in the wash bay. This one got a ceramic coating and a full wrap last year. We have them come back every year just to check on the coating, make sure it's doing everything it's supposed to do. And on top of that, Bryant's gonna wash it, clay it, iron decon bath it, and then he adds a layer of a ceramic booster to it just to help it throughout the year and keep the paint looking great. Over in the ceramic bay, we got this Toyota Camry. When the customer bought the car, it had a visor on it already, but it wasn't low enough. So we ripped it off. We're putting a new visor on it, taking it down a little bit more so it can block the sun for him. And then we added xpel rocker kit to it. So it's PPF on your rocker here, and then the whole way up to this body line on the door here, just to protect rocks from kicking up. And Zach's doing his thing. He got all the paint polish on it, and he's adding an 8-year ceramic coating to it. Beside it is this Subaru. We got the Subaru in. Paint looks great. Ceramic's done on it. We did an 8-year ceramic coating to the outside of it, as well as an interior coating to the inside. So the interior is going to be protected from stains or anything that gets dropped on the carpet, plastics, dash, anything like that's protected from stains or anything that might mess it up. Beside me is this BMW X3. We did a track package paint protection film wrap on it, so it's the full front plus the rockers. And this is also getting an 8-year premium coating as well as the interior coating as well. So this thing's gonna be protected and ready to go when the customer gets it back. This beautiful 550 M Series BMW came in with us. Customer just bought this. When he got it, he bought it used, had a couple bit dings on it, and he didn't want the paint to get any more damage. So we did a full front paint protection film wrap on it, and then we also did a paint correction on it to get some of them scratches from improper washing done to it. This is ready to go back to the customer whenever he's ready. Max is working on this Defender right now. This is also a full front, and we're also adding windshield protection film. So the full front's gonna be protected from damage, and also film on the windshield. So if anything would kick up and smack the glass, it's gonna be protected and won't damage. We're gonna do this one from the wash bay just because it's raining outside. We have this beautiful Bronco Raptor R in. This is gonna have a ceramic coating on it. Brian's getting ready. It's already prepped actually, so once Zach is done in the ceramic bay, that's next for ceramic. Then over here we have a Porsche Panorama. We're doing a full paint protection film wrap on it. And then beside the Porsche is an Acura. We did paint protection film on the front bumper, door edges, and a couple other pieces just to help him protect the paint. That's all from our Latrobe shop. Let's kick it over to my boy Luke in Gibsonia and see how they're doing.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. First up here we have a completed paint protection film job. This is surprisingly from Audi Porsche Swickley. As you can see, it is a Golf R. This is in for our full front paint protection film, and they added the entire rear bumper as well. Also in for paint protection film is this Cybertruck. I'm sure many of you guys have heard about the recall these Cybertrucks have had with the A-pillar piece. This Cybertruck did have that recall, so he came back in to get the A-pillar redone in our xpel satin black paint protection film. Over here we got Mark doing his thing on this Chevy Tahoe. This is in for window tint on the entire vehicle. We did our Prime XR 88% infrared rejection tint on the sides and back, and then Mark polished out the entire vehicle and laid a 4-year ceramic coating. Awaiting pickup now is this F350. As you can see, it is now satin black thanks to xpel stealth paint protection film. We did a full body wrap on this truck and also tinted the 2 front windows in 20% to match the factory tint. Next in line for paint protection film is this Porsche Spyder RS. This was purchased out in Ohio, and he was required to get a full front and paint protection film, so we are not doing anything on the front half of the vehicle, but it's in the shop this week to get the rest of the paint protected in our 10 mil Ultimate Plus paint protection film. Once the PPF is done, it's going to get a full body 8-year ceramic coating. Back in the PPF bay is a couple BMWs. First up is the X3. This is in for paint protection film on the front bumper, all the accent pieces, and the entire hood. Up on the lift is an M3 Competition. This is in for 8 mil paint protection film on the entire front bumper.
Hey y'all, it's Kayla from sunny Sarasota checking in. Let me show you what we got. Starting off our day, we have a 2017 Audi Q5 coming in for a front windshield. They're getting 70%, just looking to block heat. Next, we have a Tesla Model 3. They're getting 55%, looking to block heat and get a little bit of privacy with that slight tint. We also have a Tesla Model Y in today, getting a panoramic roof tint. That is an incredibly large piece of film to shrink and install, so very difficult job, but nothing we can't handle. I'm working on shrinking that myself, and we'll get it installed and get our client on the way. Finishing our day off with a 2022 Porsche Panamera, getting a full tint all the way around, 20 on the front 2 windows, 5 around the rear section. This is also quite a challenge when it comes to tinting, but again, nothing we can't handle over here at Blackout. That's all we have for today. We'll see you next Wednesday. Bye!